Hello, my grade 4 students. How are you? Hope you are fine and safe at home. Today, our lesson is about advice for food specialists. It's page 41 in your book. So, please open your book to page 41 and follow with me. Ready? Yay! Let's start. At the end of this lesson, you are going to define a balanced food ration and you are going to identify balanced food ration. Before, let's start our lesson with an attention grabber. So I want from you to sing and dance on the food group song. Let's hear it together and dance together. Ready, everybody? Why do we eat? Food keeps us healthy and strong. That's right. Why do we eat? It helps us feel good and get along. What do we eat? Well, we need to mix it up. That's right. What do we eat? We need to eat in moderation. What's that? It means not too much of just one thing. When we balance our plates, our tummies will sing. La 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 la. Let's learn the food groups. La 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 la. See what food can do. First we have veggies. They should take up half our plate. With so many to choose from that can make us feel great. Then we have fruits, so colorful and sweet. They come from the ground and from the trees. Isn't that neat? Now we add our grains to a corner of our plate. Like rice or bread or pasta, so many combinations to create. And after you heard the food group song, it's time to start our lesson. I want from you to observe the following image, which is figure 5. A food ration is the sum of food types in a meal, and so in figure 5 there is a balanced food ration. Now, after you observe the figure 5 very well, it's time for me to ask you the first question, which is I want from you to identify the food groups to which each item belongs. So in this figure, we have water, we have bread, we have rice with meat, we have apple, we have cucumber, we have radish, we have milk. So I want from you to identify the food group to which each item belongs. Think, then answer. And remember, we have three types of food groups. Excellent. So we have bread, which is food for energy, meat and rice, food for growth, the meat, and the food for energy is the rice, the milk, which is food for growth, and the apple is food for protection. Now, I want from you to think about what is a balanced food ration. In figure 5, they wrote under the picture a balanced food ration. So after we answered to the types of groups that we saw in the image, what can you think? What is a balanced food ration? Think first before answering. Excellent, great job. So a balanced food ration is a meal that contains at least one item from each food group in the pyramid. And in figure 5, we had the three types of groups which are food for growth, food for protection, and food for energy. And we have one item of each. That's why it's a balanced food ration. Now I want from you to observe figure 6 and to tell me is it a balanced food ration and why? In figure 6 we have cucumbers, we have meat, we have potato, we have yogurt. So is it a balanced food ration and why? Excellent, great job. Yes, it is a balanced food ration. Why? Since it contains at least one item of each of the food groups in the pyramid. Since cucumber is food for protection, meat is food for growth, and potato is food for energy. So we have one item of each food group. So it is a balanced food ration. Conclusion. A balanced food ration is a meal that contains at least one item from each food group in the pyramid.